Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change where your CapCut project will be saved or the folder of your saved projects in CapCut PC. So if your this on your computer is full because there are so many CapCut projects that you need to save, so you can just change the folder. So what you need to do is just go to the CapCut settings, click on the menu at the top, go to settings, and in here on the draft you'll find these save to options. So this is the where my CapCuts will be saved currently. So if you want to change it, just click on this folder icon, but you need to close the project before changing the project save path. So click on cancel first, and let's go to the CapCut homepage. So close the projects. Here go to settings again and click on the folder icon. Okay, so let's select the new folder. For example, here I'm going to save it here. Click on select folder and click on save. So hopefully by doing this your problem is solved. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.